shout out for the Reds.
Good morning mga kabreds. For today's vlog, we're headed to Santa Cruz, Laguna. And luckily we are using the Aprilia SR GT200. Big shout out to Biker Box Philippines for letting me use this bike for 3 days. So right now, we're not really gonna dive on specifics or specs ng motor na to. What we're gonna talk about is 3 things na napansin ko when using this bike. So this is based on my own experience only. This is day 2 of using this scooter. So far I'm loving it. So let's start with the first one. Number 1 will be the premium. Premium kasi, you know, the way it looks, the way that the dash looks, even at the middle of the day, kitang kita natin yung gauges natin. It also has a flasher para pagka mag-overtake, we can use that. Yung manubela niya, naked. Sobrang may personally sobrang astig ng tingnan na to, especially when ang POV is yung rider POV. Looking at the buttons here mga kabreds, sobrang high quality yung feel niya. Hindi talaga tinipid yung plastic. Ayan, no, sobrang solid. And then the buttons looks nice. Now even the side mirrors, sobrang ganda din niya, oh. Napakadali lang i-adjust. And then it stays there na lang. Sakto, we're talking about having this scooter as categorized as premium scooter. Some of the guys, as you can see, yung dumaan na naka PCX gave a thumbs up kasi ang ganda ng motor na to. Yun yung mga usual na may experience nyo once you bought this scooter. You know, other motorcycle rider na na-appreciate yung ganda ng motor. Overall for me, talaga this scooter screams premium and high quality. Wala akong nakitang pangit sa itsura, sa design, sa materials na ginamit sa scooter na to. This is priced at 219,000 and 227,000 for the sport edition. So dun pa lang, also the looks sa looks talaga, angat na angat kayo dito. You're gonna turn heads. You're definitely gonna turn heads sa scooter na to. The next thing that we're gonna talk about is comfort. So very important yan when choosing a scooter or even other motorcycles. So you want to be comfortable as much as you can, especially if you're gonna use your bike or your motorcycle sa mga long rides tulad na to. So far, day 2 of using this motorcycle, very comfortable naman. Nakita niyo naman yung seating position natin. Very maxi scooter feels. Yung upo natin, very upright position. Yung kamay natin, sobrang relax lang. And as you can see, hindi nagwo-wobble yung manubela. Yung seats niya, sobrang premium ng pagkakagawa. Leather siya, and at the same time very comfortable. May division siya for the rider. at saka yung sa back ride. So yesterday I was with Mrs. Breads, and ang sabi niya, if you're gonna be using this with the back ride, mga ka-Breads, very spacious yung likodan niya. Hindi lang yung rider mag-enjoy dito if you plan to use this for, you know, going out with your wife, your fiance, your girlfriend. Definitely magiging komportable din siya. And speaking of back ride, may grab bar sa likod. So kung hindi nyo pa papalagyan ng box to, easily they can actually use and hold on to that. Sa gulong naman, 13s yung harapan, 14s yung likod. So any lubak na nadaanan ko, yung suspension niya, wala akong complaint eh. Ang sarap ng suspension niya, ang sarap gamitin. Papunta dito sa Laguna area na to, sobrang comfortable lang talaga. Even small bumps, hindi natin nararamdaman yan. Talagang maganda yung suspension ng motor na to. Sa tires naman, we are currently using Touring Force SE by the Mitas. No complaints at all. Isa sa mga pinakamakapit na gulong ni Mitas to. Kaya okay to okay. Now, additional thing na gusto kong sabihin when it comes to comfort is, syempre 172cc to, pag binibirit mo to, yung hangin. Now since meron tong windshield, yung hangin niya pa ganon, magbabounce lang sa itaas ng helmet mo. So isa yun sa mga pinaka maganda dito sa motor na to. Now your feet naman, when it comes to comfort, kita mo maganda yung legroom niya, and pagpagod ka na, pwede kang gumanyan na lang Though hindi siya 5'10" ako eh. Hindi naka sobrang extend yung yung legs ko. Siguro kung aatras pa ako, there you go, magiging mas komportable ako. So overall, very comfortable talaga tong motor na to, I should say. The third thing that we're gonna talk about will be power. Since na-mention ko na sa inyo, this is a 172cc. Alright, so let's see the power ng motor na to. 98 agad sa short time na yon. So we don't want to go ahead and use this road for top speed, but I'll just show you the power lang. Kaya natin mag-overtake, no problem. Yeah. We're at 113. 91 kilo tayo. Alright, so that's 117 right there. Again, I don't recommend na magmamabilis kayo. I'm just doing that for demo purposes. Let's go back to the legal speed limit. Right, so even naka 100 tayo ng takbo, yung dala ng hangin, yung bato ng hangin sa'yo, bali wala eh. Talaga malaking tulong yung windshield. Siyempre, sabi nga ni uncle ni Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. No, that responsibility would fall on the safety feature ng motor na to. So safety feature ng motor na to, there's no traction control kasi sometimes this scooter is actually designed for minimal off-road din. We're not able to test that here sa Laguna. But it has two disc brake, both of them front and rear. Comes with ABS too, which is very important, especially when you're at highway speed. you need to perform a sudden stop. That's very important, mga kabreds. Front brakes niya at rear brakes niya, very responsive. I'll show you. There you go, front brakes. Rear brakes naman tayo here. Not as responsive as the front brakes, pero pwede na. Actually, I feel safe sa motor na to. Even at cruising at 100 yung takbo. I'm confident with the tires. That's hey, I'm confident with the tires tsaka sa braking power na to. Also, the side mirrors are wide enough para makita nyo mabuti yung mga nasa gilid nyo. So, kamusta naman tong motor na to when it comes to traffic? This is a perfect example. I don't know where we are, pero eto, sobrang traffic. Kahit medyo may kalakihan siya, hindi naman siya ganun kabigat kaya napaka easy lang i-weave through traffic ng motor na to. Bakit traffic? This is a real world scenario that you are gonna be encountering. So far so good kahit traffic. Very manageable naman. Oh shit, umuulan na naman. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Another thing that I want to add sa comfort is yung naked handlebar niya. You can easily attach your action cams. Kita nyo yung phone ko. Sobrang dali lang natin na nakabit. Also comfort wise, laki ng storage na to. Yung buong bag ko nakalagay lang dito sa loob. Kaya kahit walang box, ayos na ayos yung storage ng ganitong motor. Alright, so mga kabreds, ito na siguro natin tatapusin yung video when it comes to my own opinion, my own experience, my hands-on experience sa motor na to, which I define or categorize sa tatlong bagay. This scooter being premium, the power of the scooter, and also yung comfort niya. So definitely sulit yung ganitong motor. Alright, so if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, mga kabreds. I totally appreciate that. Till our next vlog. Maraming salamat kung nakarating kayo sa part ng video na to. Nakalimutan ko isingit, mga kabreds. Kahit malaki yung motor na to, sobrang dali niya i-center stand. Even my wife, si Mrs. Breds, kayang-kaya na to. So sobrang dali lang.